This is so good. I feel like I'm eating. Don't judge me, because I can live in the land that I want to live in. I make this. Create your world. I feel like I'm eating Italian beef. I'm so serious. Mm. Let me help you take your tuna to the next level. I'm putting all my cans of tuna in, and then I'm going to add some red onion and avocado, my favorite, dill, Old Bay seasoning, minced garlic, some garlic powder, lemon juice, stirring it all together, putting in those bread and butter chip pickles rather than relish, stirring it real good. Now I'm loading it into some romaine lettuce, placing it carefully, adding salsa. I love jalapenos, so I'm putting that giardiniera on there. Look at that. Oh my God. Can you even believe? I am dancing. Happy Dance Central. This tastes so good. I would make this over and over and over again. I had juice running down my wrist. Do you understand me? I just want to share it with you. The recipe is in the comments.